Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrenel. In this video, I want to show you how you can open the top and the bottom of a cylinder. This is very important in your classroom, especially when you are teaching total surface area. You want the children to visualize the top and the bottom of the cylinder. Let them see how the circle is being formed from the top and the bottom. In my last video, I did something on prism, different type of prism, triangular, square, pentagonal base. I just did it, and if you follow the video you will see how I also open the top of that. But the cylinder have a different way of doing the opening. Let me just show you in a brief video and you will get it fast. So I want the radius to be dynamic, so let me use a slider. So let's call this one R. I want this R to control the radius, and let's leave it up to 5. That is okay. Then I need another slider. So this one I want it to control the height of the cylinder. Let the minimum also be 0, the maximum be 5. Okay, let me just make the maximum 7. So that is that. Then I need another slider to control the opening of the top and the bottom. Let me use this one will be angle because it's going to rotate. So let me call this one capital T. So that is all. Then I need another one to open the base. Let me call it capital B, that is the base or the bottom. And it need to be angle, and that is that. Alright. Now that we have this, let me position them somewhere. Position them somewhere here. Alright. Now that we have this, the next thing, let me open my 3D graphics. So as you click on this, you click your 3D graphics. You can see your 3D graphics. You can see the plane shape here. You can see the plane. So let's start. So I need the center of my circle. Let me make this one at the center. So let's get a circle with center. And I want R to control the radius. So just put small r here and OK. So that means if I open this slider, if I move this slider, you see the circle here will be moving. See, you are controlling the radius. So I want to hide this label. I need to hide it. So just do hide show label. So C has disappeared so that only the circle will appear. Now let's click on this side. If you observe, clicking 2D view, the 2D icons will appear. If you click on 3D, the 3D will appear. So now I want to extrude this circle, let it form a cylinder. So I'll click on this side, come to this place, you will see extrude to prism. Just click on that. Click on your circle. It's asking for the height, so I want H to be the altitude. So H, just type small letter H here and OK. So you can see the cylinder is already formed, and this slider will control the height of the cylinder. Alright, now the next thing I want to do, I want to open this top and the base. But to do that, I need a line because I will use the rotation tool to open the top and the base. So how do I do that? Let's get a point on this axis. Let me get a point on this x-axis, something like this. I need an intercept between this line, the base of this cylinder, and this x-axis. So you can see a point has been generated there. Let me test something and see. See, as I'm opening the radius, you can see that the intercept is also opening as well. This point is opening. So very, very important. Now that I've achieved that, the next thing, I need a line that will go across like this so that I can open it down, and I'll use another line on top here and open it up. So for me to do that, I need a parallel line. So a line that will be parallel through this point, something like this. Just click on this, then click on this axis. So you can see this parallel line. So this is the line I will use to open the base. Now I also need another points here, two of them need to be on the same perpendicular line. So what I need also is a parallel line from here on this Z axis. So you can see it. Then I need point of intersection as well. Intersection between this one and this line. So you can see it, this point. So let me open the radius and see how they will move. So you can see they are all moving together, very, very important. Then finally, I need, okay, let's go to 3D. I need a parallel line of this point to this axis as well. All right, now I've achieved everything I need. So with this, I think I'm done. The next thing is for me to open my cylinder using these two sliders. So how do I open the top and the base using this slider? You come to this place. You can see rotate around a line. And when you click on it, you see we tell you what to do in case you have forgotten what to do. Select the object, click the line, then the angle. So now the object I want to open is the top. Just click on the top. About this line, just click on this line. Then at what angle, use T. I've created the slider for it. Use capital T. Remember, I'm opening it out, so that will be clockwise. So click on clockwise and click on OK. So I've done for the top. So you can see it. By the time I move this slider, you see it's opening the top and it's closing it. But I want it to open just 180 degrees. So right click this slider, go to setting, go to advanced, enter your interval, you will see the maximum. Let the maximum be 180 degrees so that you can only open it about 180 degrees, you see, and you can close it back just like this. You can close it back. All right, so let's leave that. Then let's go to the bottom. Let's open the bottom. So click on rotate around line as well. Click on the base. Click on this base line. Then this time around, I want it to be anti-clockwise because it's opening downward. So I need it to be on B. That slider will label capital B. Okay. Let me see. It's saying something. Number expected. Wait, let's cancel and do it again. Rotate around line. So I need this base. I need this baseline. I need it about B, anti-clockwise. Oh, let's check. It's like, oh, sorry, I didn't change the name. Sorry. I want the name to be base. I didn't change the name to base. Let's adjust the name of this slider. Let's go to setting. So let's rename it to capital B. So let me just use the opportunity and change the interval to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees interval. Okay, now it will work for us now. It will work for us. Let me rename it. I want it to be B. It's telling me B1. I want the name here to be B. Yes, I want it to be B. So let's go and complete it now. Okay. Alright, so let's move now. So you go to rotate about line, click the base, click the line, put B as the slider and it's anti-clockwise. That is okay. So you can see it's working now for us. So if I click on this one, see it's opening it, it's closing it, it's opening it, it's closing it. So the next thing I want to do now is to hide those things I don't need, like the axis, the plane, and those lines. So just right click and hide what you don't need. Just right click them, hide what you don't need. Just right click those lines and hide them. Right click those lines and hide them. So the point as well, let me right click and hide them. I don't need them. Let's hide them. Just right click and click show object. Even the center point, I don't need it. I don't need it. Alright, so you can see our cylinder. But one more thing, the cylinder does not look like what is opened. So let's click the top also and show object and hide it. Now it's open at the top, but the base is not open. Just click on it and show object. Now both of them are open. See, this cylinder is open both top and base. Let me increase the thickness. Just click on it, come to this place, come to setting. You can see your style, increase the opacity. Let me increase the percentage to, let me leave it at 75. So this should be okay. At least the thickness is okay. Then the top, let me change the color. Let me change it. Let me go to style as well. Let me use something like green. Let's increase the opacity a little. Let's do for the base as well. Just click it, style, increase the opacity, use green as well. And that is that. You can see it well structured now. Now let's close these ones. Let me remove this axis from this place and the grid. Only my slider should be here. Let's pull this one like this. Now my work is done. You can see the cylinder is open. You can increase the height. You can increase the radius. You can close the base. You can close the top. See it. You can open the top, open the base. You can click and drag the screen. You can see with this, you can easily do your explanation in class. The students are seeing it, and that is that. So this is all I have for the video for today. How you can open the top and the base of a cylinder in your classroom and use it to teach your children, depend on what you want to achieve for your class, depend on your objective for that day. So that is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.